Friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on FastAPI using Python, using microservices. As we have gone through plenty of videos on FastAPI such as FastAPI Introduction, FastAPI Tutorial, FastAPI and DuckDB, FastAPI Integration with Stimulite, FastAPI and Stimulite Face Detection, and FastAPI Flask FastAPI microservices. So our latest video was FastAPI face detection. So today we are going to see in really different style. Up till now we have gone through plenty of videos on face recognition using Stimulite, face of recognition using Fear library, face recognition using DLIB, using VGG face to model, using MTCNN, using deface and many more. But today we are going to see face recognition using FastAPI in really different style. So please watch video till the end and subscribe my channel. So let us go through the program first. This is the program. Now I will execute the program. Yes, server started, unicorn, fine. Then yes, so first of all face register. I will choose the image of Shah Rukh Khan. Yes, response is fine. Name Shah Rukh Khan image JPG. Now I will remember that image is not displayed. We will see that yes, image is not displayed. Now what I will do? I will do face recognition. Now I will take the image, same image, yes, image has been displayed, so face has been recognized. Yes, fine. So now I will choose another image, see what happens. The face is not recognized. I will choose another image, Akshay. Yes, it is showing internal server error, but if I choose the image of Shah Rukh Khan, then it clearly says that response. Yes, so I successfully done with face recognition using FastAPI. I hope you like this video in really different style. I will be back with more and more creative videos on FastAPI till my technical problems are resolved. Then we will start with Raspberry Python and if possible Munstack and full stack. So for latest update about my channel, about my machine learning programs, about my microservices, about my web development, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.